Hey there folks, it's Yat Kean here from Training Ground. So, just received this brand new Sony WF-1000XM5 in Malaysia, and we are about to unbox this gift box set. So come and join me and check out what is included in the box. Alright, so let's unbox this guy first, okay? So there is a seal on the left side, which I'm going to cut it off. Alright, so this should be a quick one. Oh man, this is nice. So there is another seal as well. Okay, we need to unseal it as well. I'm not gonna keep the seal sticker anymore. Okay, so let's unbox it. Wow, look at that. That is a cool box. Look at that. That's a really cool, amazing box. So it tells the history of the 1000X series. Nice, I like it. I really like it. So yeah, so we have reached over here the WF-1000XM5. So what is inside over here? We have a passport holder. This is a leather passport holder that is nice, cool. You can keep your SIMs, your cards, and so on. Great thing. And what about this? So yeah, they give us a thank you card. Nice. So there is a QR code, so you can register your warranty. Okay, and yeah, you can win the ZV-1F. Cool, nice. And here we are. We have the Sony WF-1000XM5 over here. Great. And over here, they also included a manicure kit as well. So it's going to be a great travel essential items over here for the buyers that has pre-order during the early bird promo. Yeah, so don't miss it. I think they're still doing the early bird promo, so make sure to go ahead and check it out. And then you also get the free additional 3 months warranty by Sony. Okay, so that's the packaging of it. Pretty much straightforward. I'm not gonna go into much specs on the on this device because I think everybody have checked it out. I'm merely just showing you guys what you're getting for the Malaysian market. Whoa, nice. So for this year, they are actually including 4 earbuds tips for you. Okay, so the additional one is actually super small to fit smaller size ear canals, and you have the small and the large. So medium is being equipped on the unit itself. So there you go. So you also get a Type-C cable for you to connect to an adapter to charge it back, and voila, let's just open it up. Alright, so we are done with the paperwork and so on. Let us just do the honorary of checking out the new casing design as well. So this time it felt matte as well. Okay, the whole case felt matte. Sorry, not melt. Don't know what happened to my tongue. So you have a Bluetooth connectivity button on the back here, along with the USB Type-C charging port. And if you really want me to compare back to the XM4s, yes, they are much more smaller in size. So now let's check out the earbuds themselves. Look at that. These guys are so... I can feel it is lighter compared to the XM4. Really, it's amazing. But what is the ergonomics? Let's check them out. Now for the ergonomics, I do feel they are much more lighter on the ears. They don't feel big Yes, that's one of the key thing for the WF-1000XM4. They were really feeling huge and bulging as well. So this time they have like make it much more smaller, compact, and more powerful as well this time. So yeah, for my first impression wearing onto it, I think it's really, really good. So, but for this unboxing, I only give my first impression on the ergonomics. I will not go on to the audio. That would be in the full review video. So, yep, basically that's it for this video. I try to make it as short as possible for you guys to know. And yeah, even wearing it on the M size earbuds tips, I felt really comfortable with this brand new WF-1000XM5. If you want to purchase it in Malaysia, it will cost you 1,399 ringgit Malaysia. Comes in two color, black and white. You can get them today at Sony Malaysia official stores. And right now they're also doing some road shows as well. Go there, go and check them out, because there are some additional gifts they are actually doing along as well if you purchase the WF-1000XM5 at the roadshow. Okay, so don't miss out. Hopefully you guys like this kind of content. I'm Yat Kean once again. If you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go and subscribe. Follow us on social media. Last but not least, drop us a comment, like, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, peace out.